Okay, here we are. It's January 9th, 2023, and we're just getting ready to go skiing over here at Liberty Resort. It's located near Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, and I happen to be charging my vehicle over here too for the first time, so I'm going to see what this involves. I have a 14 kilowatt battery in the vehicle, and we'll see what the charge is for that. It's kind of not clear on the display up here as to how much that will actually be, so we'll try it today and find out. Alright, so here we are after a day of skiing. I've left the charger here for about 2 hours on the car, and let's take a look and see what we got here. It is telling me that the details were 2 hours, $5.73, which I will never do again. So let's unplug that. Put it in there. There's the receipt. That's crazy. That is just nuts. That's too much. So translating that into gasoline costs, I could have gotten the same mileage for about $2.80 today. So $5.74 is just totally ridiculous. I won't ever be doing that again. Okay, well, thanks.